Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mayor here, and this is a maths session that can be used on Thursday the 5th of May, and this is a session that is looking at subtraction. For this session you are going to need some counting objects. I'm going to be using pasta, but any other small object that is easily moved around that you can find around your house would be useful. You might want to use some paper, your book or a whiteboard. And you're going to need something to write with, so a pencil, pen or whiteboard pen. Begin like we always do with some counting. We're going to count from the green number and stop when we get to the red number. We could do the first one together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Well done if you counted with me from 4 and stopped when we got to 16. You could try this one by yourself. What number is inside the green box? That's right, it's number 14. How about the red box? Yes, there's 33, 3 10s and 3 1s. Can you count from 14 to 33? Off you go. Well done if you counted from 14 to 33. Adults, if you find your child needs a little bit more time, just pause the video, and if they need some more help, it's fine to point at each number and count with them. How about this one? What number's inside the green box? Yes, it's number 12. And inside the red box? Yeah, there's number 29. 2 10s and 9 1s, 29. Off you go. Well done if you counted from 12 and stopped when you reached 29. This time the red number has come first, so we're going to be counting... Yeah, let's count backwards. We're going to start with the number in the green box, which is... Yes, it's 12, and stop when we get to number 5. You can do this one by yourself as well. Off you go. How about this time? We have number 24 in the green box, 2 10s and 4 1s, and number 7 in the red box. Can you count backwards from 24 until you get to 7? Off you go. Brilliant counting today, guys. Now let's count in tens. We're going to start at number 20 and stop when we get to number... Yes, number 90. Off you go. And finally, let's count backwards in tens. We're going to start from the number in the green box, which is... Yes, it's 80. And stop when we get to the number in the red box, which is... Yes, that's number 30. Off you go. Super counting today, everybody. Okay, so today and for the rest of this week, we're going to be thinking about subtraction. Last week we thought about addition, and we could say that subtraction is the inverse operation to addition. This means that if we want to reverse an addition number sentence, we could use subtraction. But what does the subtraction symbol look like? Does anybody know? Well done if you said it was a straight line. We're going to be using this subtraction symbol today. Here's my first number sentence. Can anybody see the subtraction symbol? Yes, there it is between the numbers 8 and 3. And what do we call this symbol here? Yes, that was our mathematical symbol for equals. It's the equals symbol. Can you help me read my number sentence? 8 subtract 3 equals... And then we need to find the answer. I could also say that 8 take away 3 equals. Or even 8 minus 3 equals. Adults, we're mainly going to use the word subtraction, but we can use the others interchangeably. Okay, so I need to think about the number that comes at the start of my number sentence. It's number 8. So I'm going to get 8 of my counting objects, pieces of pasta ready. Can you do this with your counting objects at home? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here are my 8 pieces of pasta. Adult, remember those counting principles that we thought about at the beginning of last week? Really important thing at the moment is for your child to have that one-to-one correspondence, that they're able to take objects from a bigger group and place them into a line or into another group, counting as they do. Let's check that we have enough objects by touching or moving each one slightly as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Adults, here we're thinking about that stable order principle, that children understand that numbers need to come in a certain order as they're counting. We have 8 pieces of pasta, or 8 objects now, and our number sentence here said that we needed to have 8 and take away 3 of them. I wonder how we could do that. Does anybody have any ideas? Brilliant! You might have said that you need to move away, remove some of the pieces of pasta or counting object. Here are my pieces of pasta again, and here is a very hungry crocodile, and strangely, his favourite thing to eat is pasta. I'm going to give him 3 pieces of pasta because I was subtracting 3. 1, 2, 3. I gave him 3 pieces of pasta, and that's all he wanted, so he's finished for today. How many pieces of pasta have I got left? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adults, here we're thinking about the cardinal principle, that children understand that the last number they count in a group is the number, the total of objects in that group. So here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I stopped counting on 5, so 5 must be my answer. 8, subtract 3, and I need that mathematical symbol. Oh yes, the equal sign. 8 subtract 3 equals 5. Well done if you had the same answer at home. Let's try another one. 9 subtract 5 equals... Oh, I'm going to need to use my pasta again to find the answer. 9 subtract 5 equals... I need 9 pieces of pasta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm going to touch each one for that one-to-one correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have my 9 pieces of pasta because 9 was the number at the beginning of my number sentence. And I'm going to take away how many? Yes, that's right, that's 5. I need to take away 5 pieces of pasta. Uh-oh, this time there are 2 hungry crocodiles and we need to give them 5 pieces of pasta. Have you got your counting objects or pasta ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gave them 5 pieces of pasta and now they're full. How many pieces of pasta do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 pieces of pasta left. Adults, remembering that cardinal principle, the last number that I counted, that's my answer. The number of pasta I have in my group is 4. So 9 subtract 5 equals 4. Remember, children do not need to be able to write these number sentences independently by the end of the year, but it's useful if they could start to record their ideas. Perhaps you could write the first part and they could write the number that comes at the end of the number sentence after the equal symbol. I think it's time for you to complete some number sentences on your own. Can you complete these number sentences? Let's read them together. 8 subtract 3 equals... You're going to need to find the answer. 7 subtract 5 equals... 10 subtract 5 equals... 10 subtract 8 equals. If you're looking for a challenge, you could also try subtracting from 20. Adults, as I say, you can write the number sentences for your child and then they could write the answer, or they could just complete the activity practically. You're going to need to pause this video for a while whilst you work through these questions, and then when you're done, press play so we can see how we feel about our learning today. So how did you feel about your learning with subtraction? If you think you understand what you need to do and you're feeling confident, then give me a thumbs up. It's a thumbs in the middle if you think you know what to do but you need more practice, or a thumbs down if you think you'd like your adult to go through this with you again. Remember adults, you could easily make lots of different word problems and number sentences for them to complete at home. It's really useful if you let us know how your child has done with subtraction, as it will help us plan for the rest of the week. Have a great day!